Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is October 30th, 2025, and we're diving into Merck's third quarter earnings report. Joining us is John, a senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. It's a pleasure to discuss Merck's latest financial performance.
Let's start with a brief overview of Merck. Known as MSD outside the US and Canada, Merck is a leading biopharmaceutical company with a strong portfolio of medicines and vaccines. Today, we'll explore their Q3 2025 financial results. Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Merck reported total worldwide sales of $17.3 billion for the third quarter of 2025, marking a 4% increase from the same period last year. John, can you elaborate on this growth?
Absolutely. The growth was primarily driven by strong sales in their oncology segment, particularly KEYTRUDA, which saw a 10% increase to $8.1 billion. However, there were some declines, notably in Gardasil sales, which dropped by 24% due to lower demand in China.
And what about their profitability?
Merck's GAAP EPS was 232 cents, while their non-GAAP EPS came in at 258, which is a significant increase from last year's 157. This improvement is largely due to operational efficiencies and a favorable product mix.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of $2.36 based on a survey of 6 analysts. Merck's actual non-GAAP EPS was 258 cents. John, what does this tell us about Merck's performance?
This is a clear beat on expectations. The actual EPS of $2.58 surpasses the forecasted $2.36, indicating that Merck has managed to outperform analyst predictions. This is a positive signal for investors, reflecting strong operational execution and cost management.
How significant is this beat in the context of the current market environment?
In today's competitive pharmaceutical landscape, exceeding EPS expectations is a testament to Merck's robust business model and strategic initiatives. It enhances investor confidence and positions the company favorably for future growth.
Strategic initiatives and pipeline developments. Merck has been active on the strategic front. Can you tell us about their recent initiatives and pipeline developments?
Certainly. Merck received FDA approval for KEYTRUDA QLEX injection for subcutaneous use, which is a significant milestone. They also completed the acquisition of Verona Pharma, enhancing their portfolio with a first-in-class COPD treatment. Additionally, Merck announced positive results from several clinical trials, reinforcing their strong pipeline.
How do these developments impact Merck's future prospects?
These strategic moves and pipeline advancements position Merck well for sustained growth. The approval of new treatments and successful acquisitions are likely to drive revenue and expand their market presence in key therapeutic areas.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Let's discuss Merck's operational efficiencies and their future outlook. What are the key highlights here?
Merck's SG&A expenses decreased by 4% to $2.6 billion, and R&D expenses saw a significant reduction of 28% to $4.2 billion. This reflects their focus on cost management and strategic investments. Looking ahead, Merck has raised their full-year sales outlook to $64.5 billion to $65 billion and their non-GAAP EPS range to $8.93 to $8.98.
What does this revised outlook indicate?
The revised outlook suggests confidence in their ongoing operations and strategic initiatives. It indicates that Merck is well-positioned to capitalize on its pipeline and market opportunities, driving long-term shareholder value.
Key takeaways. In summary, Merck has delivered a strong performance in Q3 2025, with impressive sales growth and a significant EPS beat. Their strategic initiatives and pipeline advancements position them well for future success. John, any final thoughts?
Merck's ability to exceed expectations and their strategic focus on innovation and acquisitions are commendable. They are well equipped to navigate the challenges of the pharmaceutical industry and continue delivering value to shareholders.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Merck's performance in the comments below.